Hello friends, welcome to Ujval cooking show. Today let's make chutney for all types of rotis. We are going to make coconut chutney. The main ingredient is the coconut. Let's take a pan, put 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil heats up, put some chilies, 5 to 6 chilies, and dry roast them. Then add garlic, 2 to 3 cloves, and roast them both together. Now let's do the chutney. Take a mixie jar, put the 1 cup of shredded coconut, then let's put the curry leaves, 8 to 10 leaves of curry leaves, coriander around half cup, then goes the roasted chilies and garlic. Put some salt, around half teaspoon of salt, adjust to your taste, and little bit of sugar, around half teaspoon. Then grind them together. Now the chutney is ready. See the texture of the chutney, it's not grinded into total paste. This is the way it is done. Let's take it out in a bowl. Enjoy this chutney with chapatis, with all types of rotis or dosas. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.